we're gonna be trying keto-friendly Starbucks drinks. It's been a long time since I wanted to do this video, so I did a bunch of research on Starbucks keto-friendly drinks, and this is what I came up with for you guys. So, a few tips to order keto-friendly Starbucks drinks are: the first one is to avoid their milk and their whipping cream. Even though they might have soy milk or almond milk, they are not unsweetened, therefore it has a lot of carbs. Same as for the whipping cream. Even though it's whipping cream, it is sweetened whipping cream, therefore it's not keto. A second thing that I want to point out is that Starbucks sells their skinny drinks, but the skinny drinks doesn't mean they are keto friendly. Even though they have less sugar, they are still really high up in the carb content. Number 3 is that you can replace the regular syrups with sugar-free syrups. One pump has around 1 carb. The last tip is that Starbucks carry little packages of sweetener called whole earth. Those are a blend of monk fruit and stevia, and they are completely carb-free. So without further ado, let's jump in the car and get some Starbucks. So we're on our way to Starbucks, and a few things I forgot to mention. Each of these drinks range from 4 to 5 net carbs, and even though they're not completely carb-free, they're really low on carbs, right? And I doubt that 4 to 5 grams of carbs will kick you out of ketosis, and in general, it's just good to treat yourself once in a while. Because I'm not the one driving, I made a list of how to order the drinks, so my husband will be ordering, and when I try them, I will let you guys know exactly how to order them, and I will also write it down on the video description to make this easier for you guys.
Quite a complicated order today, so I do apologize in advance. They're all going to be sugar-free, just so you know.
Oh my god, that was the longest order ever taken in Starbucks history. I feel so bad, but thankfully the guy was really nice and we appreciate that, and let's see what we get.
Thank you. Okay, thanks a lot. You too.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
So we have our 6 drinks over here. Such a big order. Because it is really nice outside, we're gonna stop somewhere and try these drinks out. I'm so excited. There are some of these that I have never tried. So yes, I'm really excited, guys. Okay, so we made it to the park and we're gonna start by trying the frozen beverages. First one we're gonna try, I'm gonna tell you how we order it and then we'll review it. So this one, it's called a pink drink, and we ordered as a Grande Unsweetened Passion Tea, no water, no classic syrup, 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 2 splashes of heavy cream, and double blended. Apparently the trick to get like a nice frappe consistency is to ask it double blended. Okay, are you ready? I'm gonna try it now. This one is the first time I try it, so I'm excited. I mixed it a little bit and it actually tastes like kind of a strawberry milkshake. It's good, but I think it's a little bit more on the watery side. But it's good. What do you think?
Yeah, it definitely has like kind of a strawberry almost taste.
Well, it's a passion tea. I guess there is like some strawberry in it, but it's good. So 1 out of 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best. What would you rate this one?
I'd say that like a 4 or 5.
I will say a 6. I don't think it's a 4. For me, it's a 6. It's pretty good. Let's try the next one. Okay, so we're gonna set them up from worst to best. So this goes kind of in the middle, I guess.
So far, it's the first ones.
Yes, first one's in the middle. Now we're gonna try a frappe.
Okay, this is the Grande Coffee Frappuccino with sugar-free vanilla, the sugar-free cinnamon dolce, no milk but heavy cream, no base, and cinnamon powder, and it's been double blended.
Again, the double blend apparently is the trick to get like that frappe consistency. So let's try it. Ooh,
Good.
This one is really, really good. Oh my god, it's so good. It's, guys, I think I haven't tried the other ones, but I think we found the one. It actually tastes just like a regular frappe. It's so good.
That's really good.
Okay,
Out of 10, I would say...
I think a 10 for me. Like, it's actually just like a regular frappe.
I'd say it's an 8 for me.
An 8? Oh, well, I really like it.
8 or 9.
Maybe I'm just excited because it's hard to find like a good keto frappe, but it's a 10. It's still a 10 for me. So now we're gonna just try a simple iced coffee. The way we ordered was a nice Americano, 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, and light heavy cream. This is just like a plain iced coffee. Pretty hard to mess that up, but let's try it out. It's good. I like a strong coffee, but I think I will add either another pump of sugar-free vanilla or add one of the whole earth packages. I forgot to ask for those little stevia monk fruit blend, so you just have to drink it like that. But it's really good. The coffee quality, it's good actually. Like, it's a strong coffee.
Yeah, it's pretty strong coffee. You can't taste much sweetness in there.
Yeah.
So for me, just because I like sweeter drinks, I definitely rate this probably like a 4 as well. If it was sweeter, it'd probably be a lot better.
Yeah.
So for me, it's a 4.
For me, I think it's a 5 just because like the coffee is strong and that's how I like it. If you order a nice Americano, it will be a little bit stronger than if you just ask for a regular iced coffee. So I actually like it, but again, I like my drinks sweeter, and especially when you want like a treat, you want like a sweet drink. So I think a 5. Yeah. Our fourth drink we're gonna taste is a white tea drink, and I'm really excited about it. I read a lot of reviews of this and apparently it's like so good.
So it's a white tea drink. It's unsweetened peach citrus white tea, no water, no classic syrup, splash of heavy whipping cream, 2 pumps sugar-free vanilla, and light ice.
Okay, let's try it out. It's a no for me, guys. Like, it tastes just like tea. It doesn't have like that citrusy taste right out. It's not bad, but I don't know. I was expecting something different. Maybe a little bit more sugar-free vanilla. But again, the more pumps of sugar-free vanilla, the more carbs. So maybe like a package of whole earth would be great.
Yeah, for me, I don't taste any of the citrus at all,
Yeah,
actually.
or peach, actually.
Or peach.
No.
For me, it tastes like
Just like green tea.
like an Earl Grey, but not strong and cold.
Yeah, something like that.
Bottomless for me.
Yeah, bottomless. I think 1 out of 10 it will be like a 3 for me.
Those are all the cold drinks we got. Now we're gonna move on to the hot drinks.
Okay, so this one is just a Minty Latte. There is a local coffee shop we usually go and they have this drink, so I thought I will try it out at Starbucks. The way we order this one, it's unsweetened mint tea. Instead of milk, use 3/4 water, 1/4 heavy cream, and 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. Okay, so let's try it out. It's good. I think this one is a 5 for me. What do you think?
Tastes is good, lots of mint flavor in there, but I don't get that wow feeling.
Yeah, same. But again, going back to the local coffee shop, we ordered this and it's just so freaking good. And I actually make this at home. It's so easy. It's good, but not as good as I was expecting. I think this is a 5 for me.
I'd say 6.
Okay, so yeah, it's a 5 for me, 6 for you. So it will go in between this.
Second best so far.
Yeah. Now we're gonna try a dirty chai latte.
And the way we ordered it was 2 chai tea bags, not the concentrate, not the syrup.
And that's the key for the chai latte. You don't want the concentrate.
There's an espresso shot in there, and instead of milk, there's heavy cream and 2 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dolce syrup.
Let's try it out. I've actually never had a dirty chai, so basically the difference between a chai latte and a dirty chai is just the espresso shot. Ooh, this is really good. I like it. I really do. Anything that has coffee, like, oh, we are really coffee addicts in our house.
It's really good.
I feel the cinnamon is what's getting into you.
Yeah, for me, a little too much cinnamon.
So I guess chai tea comes with cinnamon already, and we put the sugar-free cinnamon syrup on it. So it might, if you're not a big fan of cinnamon, maybe replace the cinnamon dolce with sugar-free vanilla syrup. For me, this is gonna be a 6.
I'd probably say so as well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so I
So
think...
do you think it's better than this one?
Yes.
Or... There you go.
Okay, so there you have it, guys. The best one is the frappe. Heads up, like, it's so good. Then the chai latte, then the minty latte, followed by the passion fruit blend, then the iced coffee, and lastly the white tea drink. Overall, I think they're all good. Like, Starbucks is good for keto because it has like those sugar-free options, while when you go to a lot of local coffee shops, they don't have sugar-free options. So I wish they did because I like supporting local. I like local places and stuff, but I think it was good. Yeah. Okay, before I forget, a few things I think it's important to mention is that we live in Canada, and I believe that in the US they have more sugar-free options like mocha, caramel. Here in Canada, there is only sugar-free vanilla syrup, sugar-free cinnamon dolce syrup, and yeah, that's basically it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys try all these Starbucks drinks. If you did try them, let me know down below in the comments which one is your favorite. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the bell notification button so it notifies you when I upload a weekly video, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.